Let's stir up this delicious keema, which is ground chicken, and today we're going to be making it in the Instant Pot, and here's what you'll need. 2 pounds of ground chicken, 2 diced tomatoes, 2 diced onions, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of ginger crushed together, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and 4 sliced green chilies. First, you're going to take your Instant Pot and put it on saute mode. Adjust your setting to more, and then add your oil of choice. We're going to use olive oil today, about 1/4 cup. Then you're going to add your cumin seeds in here and let them fry for about a minute. After a minute, you can add your onions in here, and you're going to fry the onions in there for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're translucent. You want to continuously stir this so the onions don't get stuck to the bottom of the pot, so just keep checking on them. Next, you're going to add your crushed ginger and garlic, and you're going to mix this really well in with the onions. Now, the ginger and garlic and onions serve as the base for our meat today, so we're going to make sure that they're mixed really well, and then add your meat. So we're using ground chicken today. You can just go to the butcher shop and ask them to ground some chicken breasts and thighs for you, and they'll do it. I know a few people have approached me and asked me that, oh, we've seen ground beef, but we've never seen ground chicken, so that's how you get it. Also, you can use beef, but today I'm just going to show you the chicken method. For beef, it'll be similar, you just increase the cooking time. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes in here as well as all my spices. You just want to mix this together really well. So just make sure that, there's nothing stuck to the bottom. Also, it's all mixed together, because as the last step, after this, you're just going to cook this in pressure. It's so simple and it's so easy to make. And I love to have this meat ready in my freezer at all times, because you can eat it by itself, or you can use it in a dish like lasagna or a pasta, or even like a curry dish like an Indian or Pakistani curry. Like you can make keema karele or keema aloo. There's so many versatility with having this meat ready. So we're gonna just give this a good stir, make sure everything is mixed together, all the spices, all the tomatoes with the meat, and then we're gonna apply some manual pressure to this. So today I'm gonna show you, we're gonna do manual for about 5 minutes, so just use minus or plus to adjust the time. Make sure you have it on the sealing position. Now, after 12 minutes of natural pressure relief, so that means the Instant Pot just sits there. I still had the valve up at the back, so I'm gonna just put venting, which is quick release for the rest. Once the valve drops, I'm ready to open my Instant Pot, and as soon as I open it, I can smell the great flavors of the meat. It just looks great. It's a little watery still, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just dry up the water a little bit. Now, if you're making a chili, you could certainly leave the water in, but I want it to be a bit dry. So I'm gonna just continuously mix this, and here you go. This is how it looks. Here are the ingredients for you once again to screenshot. Definitely give this a try. You'll love the flavors. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For any questions, let me know in the comment section. Again, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow recipes. Till next time, keep stirring it up.